Alrighty guys, here we are. Pull apart. I'm on the south side, not pull apart east, pull apart south, around the Atlanta airport. Guys, it's a holiday and people still business as usual. Look at all these cars coming in to be sold to pull apart. Remember I sold my PT Cruiser pull apart, but they came and got mine. These guys bring them up here and sell them. Okay, so yeah, this is one of those holidays that hard workers still go edit day. All right, so let me unload my tools. I got a 2011 Ram truck I'm working on for a customer, and I can't get the damn thing started. I need a PCM, a computer. You talking about expensive at the freaking dealership. Okay, so at the parts department. So I have an alternative for him. Only thing is, it's not really a problem, but yeah, he got to pay. Yeah, he got to pay for me to come out here and get it. Okay, now I saw two on the website. I hope they hear. Okay, that's all. But also, I can kill two birds in one stone. I got a buddy at the shop with an 06 Durango. Need some parts, so I'm gonna try to scoop those up as well, so I can actually get something done today and make a lot of money doing it, guys. Yeah, I get paid for this stuff, and everybody at home sleep. It's kind of early on the holiday, so let me unload my stuff, get cracking, and I'll talk to y'all later. All right, guys, let's get it. All right, guys, so there's 2011 here, 2012, it might be compatible, but this was dropped off August 5th, so chances of the PCM still being out there is great. Now that Durango, I got a couple of, I got one direct model right here. That's been here a while, so good luck with this one, but we'll see. All right, guys, I just got some bad news. They don't do the go-karts anymore, so damn. Hey, I got a freaking wheelbarrow. Oh my goodness. All right, here goes nothing. Y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, this is the 501. I'm looking for, 502, so this 501, yeah. 2011, I think this is it, yeah, 2011 1500, this is it. Oh no. Oh no. Glad I don't need nothing from out of the inside. This thing was cooked. Okay, I hope a PCM under here, because that is exactly what I need. A PCM car. Oh, are you freaking kidding me, man? There's nothing under this hood. Damn, the PCM go right here. Not only did they take the PCM, they took the whole drivetrain gone. Oh my goodness, don't tell me this is gonna turn out to be a big ass colossal waste of time. Oh my goodness. That's a 1500, but that's an older model. I don't even know, it has to have a Hemi in it, because the only other V8 option was the 4.7, and it's not gonna fire off. Oh my goodness, yeah, this thing got cooked. Man, I hope the person got out in time. It's not like one of those Teslas where you couldn't get out while your car was on fire inside. Yeah, this one definitely belongs in a pull apart. Total, baby. Oh my goodness. You can't salvage nothing out of here. This thing just was cooked to the ground. What y'all think? Oh. Yeah, I think I'll hang on to that. Put that in my bag. This is about the only thing I can salvage out of this truck. Damn. Colossal waste of time. Now I looked online and they said it had, and they got pictures, but I think the pictures of the truck when it first come in. Oh, they did salvage some things, just throw them in the back. I wonder if the PCM back here. I don't want it if it's been out here in the rain. Alright guys. What a colossal waste of time. I gotta go to plan B. I'm not driving way to pull apart north. I don't even know if they got them, but I just have to, we'll figure I might eBay the damn thing or something. eBay or used, because keep in mind guys, it can be used. You don't have to, 2011, you don't have to get a brand new, you probably can't, but if you did, you don't have to. Okay, you just have to have capabilities to sync the thing up to your vehicle. Remember, all 2011s are factory equipped with a security alarm, so you have to be able to sync inside of that for it to work. If not, it's a no-go anyway. Now, there are some places you can buy or call and give them your VIN. They will mail you a PCM with the VIN already in it. So there's a number of options for 2011 models. It just, I chose this one, and from the looks of it, it was a bad decision. All right, y'all stay tuned. Ooh, well, it wasn't a total waste. I did find my buddy's 06 Durango. Yes, this was complete, guys. I took the door panel off, and what he needed was I brought it all over here. He needed the glass and the regulator assembly. I haven't done one of these in a long time. I remember we used to have to glue these on. Yes, especially on the old Intrepids. So this was actually intact because the door panel was on. So it's not a total waste, I guess. So now I want to see how they're gonna charge me. Is they gonna charge me just for the glass with the regulator attached? Maybe I can get a hold to a girl that don't know no better, or they're gonna charge separately. Whatever they charge me, he got to pay. These his parts. I don't need this stuff. But I told him since I'm out here, I would scoop it up for him, and it was actually quite easy. Although it was a little work, it was still kind of easy. So yeah, he got the same. Matter of fact, it's the same damn color. He said he needed a mirror also, but these mirrors are jacked up. Yeah, buddy, I don't think you want these mirrors. We're not gonna worry about the mirrors. You can live with a broken mirror, but I did get you a glass. All right, so like I say, it wasn't a total. Hey, there go an 05 one. It's probably the same thing. These Durangos was popular. Somebody got a little upset. Yeah, I bet you it's the same. Called compatibility. Look at the PT Cruiser. These are all over the place out here. Yep. So if that one wasn't intact, I could have got this one. So, but I already got what I needed. Now what the hell going down? Somebody took the transmission out and changed their mind. All right, PT lover, got a PT out here for you. Peter, come get you one. Look at that throttle body, guys. Let me explain something to y'all what this caused. All right, see how dirty that is? Ladies and gentlemen, let me go out on a limb and suspect why this car is here. Let me take a stab at this. All right, guys, I'm done here at Pull Apart. I got what I needed. Hey, I thought this was a big rod car. I'm just messing around right now, but I got more pressing things to do. I got what I needed as far as this damn, where'd it go? Oh, as far as this window regulator and window. So I don't have a dolly or go-kart, so I gotta walk back up here with all this stuff. So let me get it, guys. That's all I have. You guys enjoy the rest of your holidays. All right, I gotta go. Thanks for watching.